wonderful learners. Today we want to consider area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium can be derived in two ways. So let's consider the first condition, when the parallel side and the perpendicular distance are given. So this is the shape of a trapezium, and the formula is half a plus b into bracket h. So let's solve this example. Find the area of the shape below. This is a trapezium. The height here is 10 centimeter, while the parallel sides are 6 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Let's solve this question. A is 6 centimeter and B is 11 centimeter, while our height is 10 centimeter. So we are going to apply the formula. Area of a trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 A plus B into bracket. Then we have our h. So we are going to have 1 over 2 into 6 centimeter plus 11 centimeter in bracket of 10 centimeter. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So we are going to have 1 in bracket of 6 centimeter plus 11 centimeter, that will give us 17 centimeter in bracket of 5 centimeter. Then we are going to have 17 centimeter in bracket of 5 centimeter, because 1 multiplied by 17 will still be 17. 5 times 7, that will be 35. We keep 3. 5 times 1, that will be 5 plus 3, that will be 85 centimeter. 10 centimeter will be centimeter squared. Then the second condition, when an included angle is given and the hypotenuse side to it are used in expressing the height. So the area will be 1 over 2 into bracket A plus B, close the bracket, then we have C sine theta. So let's solve this example. ABC is a trapezium in which angle ABC and DC, the length of AB is 12 centimeter, while the length of BC is 9 centimeter. And the length of CD is 6 centimeter, while the angle of ABC is 46 degrees. Then we are asked to calculate the area of ABC. This is the diagram here. So let's apply the formula. The area is equal to 1 over 2 A plus B into bracket, then we have C sine theta. So from what we have here, our A is 6 centimeter, then our B is 12 centimeter, and our C is 9 centimeter. Then our theta here is 46 degrees. So by the time we substitute this value into the formula, we are going to have A to be equals to 1 over 2. A plus B, that will be 6 plus 12 in bracket of 9 sine 46. 6 plus 12, that will be 18. So we are going to have 1 over 2, 8 into bracket, then we have 9 sine 46. 2 here 1, 2 here 9. 9 times 9, that will be 81 sine 46. Then we need to know the exact value of sine 46. What is the actual value of sine 46? That will give us 0.7193. 0.7193. And by that multiply 81 and 0.7193, we are going to have 58.3 centimeter squared. Thank you. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the videos, drop a wonderful comment, and share it with your loved ones. See you next class.